Welcome. In front of me I have the VIVO Y76, and today I'll show you how you can apply tempered glass to it. Now, before I get started, I will mention that the glass that I'll be using for this is for a different phone, but because it basically fits perfectly on it, even with the cutout, that's what I will be using. Now, before I progress any further though, I will mention I'll be using, I'll be applying the glass here while I have the case on, and I do recommend doing the same. Sometimes the cases might interfere with the tempered glass, so it's number one, good to figure out if you can actually have your case and tempered glass applied at the same time. And I'm using, as you can see, a case or glass that is a little bit smaller, so it does have a little bit of room to wiggle, right? But like I said, some glasses can go way outside, and the actual case might interfere with that. So I recommend checking it right now, just placing it on the screen, seeing if it gets in the way. If it doesn't, that's great. And because of that, you can also use the case as a kind of a way to guide the tempered glass into its correct location. Now, the way I apply my glass is I usually try to find the bottom point where it will align evenly, or in this case I'll probably go with the top one, just because it allows me to see where how low I need to place the glass so the actual camera is still exposed. So just kind of do it like this, and I'll press it down with my two fingers, making sure that it is spaced evenly to the sides. And when it is, just apply pressure and then drop it down, and it should just apply in a decent orientation, as long as you have managed to space it out correctly from the left and right side, and also at the top, making sure that it's not like crooked. It should just flop correctly. If you start seeing that it's applying a little bit to the side like this, you can relift it. Just make sure that you don't touch it from below when you peel that sticker off, so don't touch the sticky side. You can just lift it up, realign it, and then make sure that it drops correctly. There we go. And then we get that out of the way. Another thing that I'll mention is, for me, my tempered glass, as you can see, has only one side to peel off. So once I peel that off, it will reveal the sticky side under this little foil, which then I just kind of flip over and apply it like this. So whatever you will peel off, whatever you hold right here and you peel off, that's the side that you throw out. Now, I do know that there are also screen protectors that come like this one with two sides to peel off. So for the most part, whenever you encounter a one like this one is flimsy, it's plastic one, but the rule still applies. For me, it says start and finish, but there's also instead of start and finish, it will say 1 and 2. So finish would be 2, and what it applies to, number 2 or finish, would be when you peel that off, you just kind of expose the actual glass itself, so that the side that you will be touching with your finger. So it would go exactly like this. When you finish off, you can then touch the screen, and that's the side that will be will expose the actual like plastic side that you will be just touching, or glass side. I don't have that on here, as you can see, so there we go. I only have one side to peel off. Anyway, now let's get started with the actual application. So with the case, you most likely got, as you see, the glass, and under that you should probably also have this thing. So we have a wet and a dry wipe. Now you can use these if you want to. I personally don't like them just because they're a little bit too small, and sometimes the wet wipe is dry, so it just kind of defeats the purpose. So I just prefer to use my microfiber cloth. That is my preference, that's what I use, but obviously you can use something else. You can use the wet and dry wipes if you want to, or you can use a microfiber cloth like me, or any kind of other like cloth that won't really scratch the display. And you want to clean off your screen from any kind of trash that might have any kind of like fingerprints and just dust and stuff like that. Okay, now there's still dust on the screen. It probably will be really hard to show. So what I do to apply this, or before I actually apply my glass, is I peel off the protective layer. I basically have it prepared to be applied, and I give like a couple gentle passes on the display just to get rid of the dust. That's kind of how I do it. It seems to work for me fairly well, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. There we go. Oh, it created a little air bubble, so just need to push it out. There we go. And as you can see, there it is. Screen protector applied perfectly. So there we go. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.